Hey my peeps, let's make a cute little s'mores swirled ice cream for your tea tray. So I got the little tray and the spoon from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna cut out a square piece of cookie dough clay that fits just inside that little tray, and you're gonna glue it down. I'm gonna use some, that's just tacky glue, and make sure you hit the corner so that the clay doesn't shrink that much. So I'm just using a brush to give it some texture. Now you don't even really have to do this part because I don't know, you're not going to see it, but I just wanted to because in case my swirl wasn't big enough to cover, I want to make sure that you can see that on the bottom is supposed to be a graham cracker. Okay, so you make the score line and you make the circles like, you know, you're making your graham cracker. Like I said, you don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but I just did because in case the little cracker peeks out through the ice cream. Okay, so now I just got some spackle and I'm just doing a swirl, just going straight up. That's it, just swirl it all the way up. And then I got me a little piece of a Hershey chocolate bar, and I got me a honey graham bear that I made out of a mold, and 2 little marshmallows. So now I'm looking for the best side that I want to stick my little Hershey's piece of Hershey chocolate and my honey graham bear. And I'm sticking toothpicks on the bottom of it so that when it dries it doesn't fall off. Okay, I suggest you do that because when you just stick it into the ice cream, sometimes it just falls off. It's not stable. With a little piece of a toothpick, you'll be good to go. You know it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so I stuck that on the top, and I stuck my little piece of spoon in the back, and I stuck a little marshmallow on there. Okay, so now you want to let this dry 100%. Let it dry overnight. This is dry. I let it dry overnight. So I took a little bit of, this is burnt umber. So now you're going to take a brush and you're just going to touch the edges of the swirls. You're not going to touch the whole ice cream. You just want to touch the edges to make it look like toasted marshmallow or toasted ice cream, okay? Because we want it to have that s'mores look. So we just toasting the edges of the swirls. That's all we doing, okay? Now this swirl wasn't the best swirl because when I was putting in the graham crackers and the Hershey, I kind of squished it, but still it looks, you see, it looks cute. It looks like toasted marshmallow. So make you one. Talk to you later. Bye.